Hello friends, I'm Miss Rebecca and here's Monty Bear. Thanks for coming to join us today. We're really happy to see you because we want to share with you another thing we've been making to put in our calming corner. So in our classroom, we've been making a calming corner where we can go to. It's nice and warm and cozy and it's also quiet. And when we've got these really big feelings that we're having, we can go in there, open up our toolbox of strategies and choose something to help us do our belly breaths and calm down. So today we've got a squishy ball that we're going to make. You could just find any squishy ball that you've got already in your toy box, but I like to make these ones because also I want to make it out of my favourite colour, purple. So all we need is a balloon. I've got some of that coloured rice that's left over from when we made our other sensory bottle, the one that smelt really nice of lavender, and also a funnel or a spout to help make it go into the balloon. So, you ready to help us? Can you help as well, Monty? You were good at this the other day. Great. Okay. So, first thing I need to do is I need to blow into the balloon just to make sure that it's not all sticky inside and it'll all come apart. You ready? There we go. It's a good balloon. Is any air coming out? No holes in it. Great. Now we let the air out. You ready? There we go. So now I need to put our spout on here. Okay, Monty, which one? Okay, we'll go this one first. Ready? So let's put our coloured rice in. You can also use sand or other things that you might have at home. Anything that's really squishy. It can't be a liquid though. Okay. It is getting squishy, isn't it? Okay, I might just put a little bit more in. That should be enough. I've not got enough left over. I could make another one if I want to. So now you can ask an adult to try and help you tie the balloon up. So over and under and pull it through. And look, there it is. There's our squishy ball. And so when you've got it in your calming corner, you can pick it up and you can use it in your hand. There it is. And as you're doing it, what do we need to do, Monty? Our belly breath. So you ready? Let's have a go. As we're squishing like this, we can close our eyes. We can put our hands on our tummy and breathe in and out. Great. Let's have another go. Put my hand on my tummy this time. 1, 2, 3. And out. Oh, it is. It really helps me calm down and feel so much better. I like how it feels. I wonder what other things we could put in. We said sand. I wonder if later on we could maybe fit Play-Doh or something else in there. That would be squishy, wouldn't it? So have a go at home and then you could tell us what you could put inside your balloon to make a squishy ball. So thanks for joining us, everybody. Click down below, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and Monty Bear and I are going to show you what else we can put into our calming corner. Bye-bye, friends. Bye, Monty. Bye-bye.